and tired of this. No! My movie! Dang, guess I'm gonna have to get a new tape. Oh wait, I know who to call.
Yo fellow cool cats, my name is Ethan and I'm here to teach you how to fix your broken VHS. This is a VHS. That's short for very hectic situation. And as you can see, this situation is pretty hectic.
Alright, let's hop right in.
No, wait. We can't just jump right in. We need to diagnose this sucker. And that leads me to step 1, diagnosis. Now some diagnosis is easy. For example, I diagnose you with Virgin. Now, unfortunately, chances are if your tape is acting up, it's got some serious issues.
How can I tell what's going on though?
What do you think I'm here to do?
Well,
No, serious. What were you thinking? VHS tapes are very complicated pieces of machinery, so I'll run through some possible issues. Tape deterioration, mold damage, anxiety, hopelessness, loss of pleasure, interest in activities. The list goes on. The only real way to tell is to dig right in. Okay, I see at least one issue. Now we all know VHS stands for vocally heterogeneous speaker, but if your VHS starts speaking in extinct languages, that means something's definitely wrong. In fact, would you look at that?
my VHS just cursed my whole bloodline.
And that leads me to my next step, dealing with the paranormal. Now we all know VHS stands for very haunted stuff, and this baby appears to be pretty haunted.
What am I gonna do? I haven't dealt with a ghost this bad since my last girlfriend. No, actually, I'm terrified of ghosts.
Well, it's actually quite simple. We just need to have an open and honest conversation with it. VHS buddy, are you haunted? See, I'm trying to fix this tape so my good fella here can watch his brain rot movie. Oh, come on. Pretty please? Pretty please with a cherry on top?
That seemed a little cruel.
It's like dealing with mice, really. You just gotta kill them before they get too monstrous and bloodthirsty.
What kind of mice?
Thankfully, that means we can move on to our final step, repair.
This tape has been eaten, depressed, hit with a hammer, haunted, and hoovered. How do you plan on salvaging it?
Well, it's quite simple, actually. Just turn around. Behold!
Oh yes, sir. This looks brand new. Thanks, Ethan. I couldn't have done it without you.
All in a day's work. To all you fine folks out there who have broken VHSs, following these tips and tricks will allow you to fix your tapes without paying abhorrently high prices. Now, if your tape is still giving you trouble, be sure to reach out to ethanvhsrepair@gmail.com on your personal computer or call 1-800-VHS-FIXER. Prices start at $1,200, and that's just for the phone call. I'm Ethan Sanders. Until next time.